We have two last items in histology to look at. Let's look at the sebaceous gland first. The sebaceous gland can be seen in the center of the tissue here that look like epithelial cells. We can see a whole cell and a nuclei. And you can just barely make out the hair follicle directly next to the section of epithelial tissue. So the sebaceous gland is going to secrete sebum, which will travel up the hair follicle and go to the skin, and it protects the skin by creating a sort of moisture barrier to keep it the right amount of hydrated, the right amount of saltiness, and everything else that kind of moisturizes and protects that top layer of skin for us. This would be a 40x version. Let's look at a 100x, and again we can see the normal looking cells. We expect to have a cell membrane with a nucleus in the center that's easily identifiable, and then off to the right we can actually see the hair follicle now pretty easily coming down and ending into these several different sebaceous glands. The second structure we have to look at is the goblet cell, which can be found in the respiratory and digestive tract. They are epithelial tissue that secrete mucus. And here, as I have my little arrow, they're the little clear or more transparent portions that you can see interspersed well throughout most of this tissue. So these are the goblet cells, and they are going to secrete mucus to help moisturize and allow things for passage through the respiratory and digestive tract.